up? It's me, Taz, people. I am really bored. I'll show you guys my bike. It's really cool. Ow. Look, I'll show you this. Hands off my bike. It's really cool. Okay, I'll show you guys some of my tricks I learned myself. Okay, hold on, I have to move my bike. It's over there. Ow. Sorry. So tired. Okay, I'm gonna take off my shoes. My foot really hurts because I just stubbed it like a second ago before I started this video. Okay, here I go.
Are you going tennis?
Oh, I'm gonna do a cartwheel and stuff.
What does this say?
I'll read it after, okay?
Okay. I'll do some with ya.
Okay, hold on. I'm making a video right now.
Ow. Can I help?
Go ahead. Come on. We'll watch out for the iPad.
No.
Video right now.
Guess what? Once I went downstairs, go to my mom, I just found a big daddy long leg on the 7-Eleven. And then I just picked it up and threw it.
Okay, excuse me. I'll do a cartwheel and do my stuff first, and you do it. And then, there. Okay, so I was gonna do it.
Wow. I know, right?
Ow, I stubbed my toe. Oh, damn, it's bleeding.
Fat?
Huh?
You're so fat.
No, just hurts.